Recently, a member of my community hit $300 a day with his new Faces channel. So in the next 59 seconds, I'm going to break down exactly how he did it. First, it's not about finding the perfect niche. This is a mistake that 99% of other people make. Let me explain. Rather than looking for the perfect niche, look for smaller channels with just a few videos uploaded. But across these few videos, there are tons and tons of views. Take this channel in the fitness niche, for example. Even though they just have 3 videos uploaded, and even though they chose a saturated niche, they were still able to stand out and get plenty of views. But it's not because of the niche they chose, but because of the format they used to make their videos. All they did was use the same format from this channel here, which has millions of views across just 5 uploads. And here's the format, explaining complex ideas using primates and basic paint animations. It's simple, it's weird, and it's very addictive. So don't waste your time looking for the perfect niche, because it's the format you choose that's going to put you on the path to $300 a day. And there are hundreds of unique formats out there all over YouTube. You just have to choose the right one and pair it with your niche. So here are just a few popular ones you can choose from right now. Now, if you want to actually learn how to create a channel like this video here will show you exactly how, step by step. So go and watch it so you can start building your profitable Faces channel today.